If you want growth, you got to go to tech, right? No, you can actually go to restaurant stocks. And I'm going to be talking about a stock that I've owned for a while. Love this name. It is none other than Domino's Pizza. And let me just tell you, this thing has just been a monster over the years. I want to show you exactly how the stock has performed over the years. And we're going to look at the dividend growth, which is just amazing. So let's get into that right now. All right, so I'm at the Domino's website, and you can find out all types of stuff whenever you go to their investor relations page. I want to look at the stock, right? So the stock, oh my gosh, look at this. From 2004 all the way till today, this thing has been in a rocket mode. And a lot of websites, company websites, they allow you to look at their stock, especially one like Domino's. But I went and did some calculations, so let's see how this thing has actually performed since 2004. All right, so the first thing is since 2004, this is when they started paying their dividend, and their first dividend that I could find was 6.5 cents, and that was for one quarter back in November of 2004. But look at this. Starting then, if you would have bought Domino's, reinvested your dividends all the way up until today, you'd have a 4,900% return. I mean, just a monster return. But the cool thing is you can look at other stocks and how they have actually performed over the same time periods. So you got Papa John's. I own some of that as well. Don't have any McDonald's, don't have any Yum, but I do have some Starbucks basically for dividend growth. But look at these returns. Food has just been a tremendous area to invest in over the past, 18 years? It's a lot of growth. But let's look at the dividend, because that's what's really exciting, especially in markets right now. So their quarterly dividend payment that I could find, the first one was 6.5 cents. Doesn't sound too great, right? But then let's jump to the annual basis. 2005, it was 40 cents, 48 cents in 2006. So nice growth. Then they did like this restructure in 2007, paid out this special dividend. They had another special dividend. Notice that they didn't pay dividends between 2008 and 2011. But then they started back up in 2013. 80 cents over the year, $1, etc., all the way up until now. They just announced a dividend raise of $1.10 per quarter. So if you annualize that out, it's $4.40. But look at this. Since it started 2004 all the way out to 2022, the dividend has grown basically almost 16 times. That's huge, right? That's exactly the type of growth that you want when you're looking for an awesome stock, right? And the cool thing is gains like this, yeah, they're rare, but they don't all exist in technology. So there you have it. Some of the best stocks out there, they are not technology stocks, right? You can look at a company like Domino's that has just been dominant, right? And so that is the key lesson for today. Remember, this isn't personalized advice of any kind, just trying to show you that there are great opportunities out there, but the big gains, they come over many, many years. And you know what? They're not all in tech and high growth areas. So anyway, that's your lesson. I'll see you next time.